pre-installation checklist. Please make sure the area where you install is well balanced. If the area is imbalanced, the liquid could flow in a wrong direction. Please check the lighting environment. Direct sunlight or strong LED light may result in hardening of liquid during installation. Please make sure the UV curing machine functions well. Function test is mandatory based on the adapter and cable conditions. Insert pin loader and absorption pads. Check the shape. Make sure to cover buttons and charging port to prevent the adhesive inflows. Use cleaning kit to remove any dust and fingerprint on the screen. Push the back of the device to confirm the device is placed properly into the jig. Double check if the device is well placed into the jig. Use dust removal sticker to remove any dust on the screen. Place the speaker masking film onto the hole and make sure to cover the speaker. Assemble the position bridge and the pin. Open the color cap of adhesive and insert into the position bridge hole. Turn to open the black cap and leave it for 30 seconds until the adhesive flows out completely. Remove the position bridge and adhesive bottle. Remove the liner film and place the glass to be leaned on the pin. Double check the glass alignment. Push the bottom of the jig to let adhesive flow towards the center of the screen. When the adhesive reaches to the center, let go of your hand and then remove the pin. Wait 100 seconds until the adhesive completely spreads out. After that, put the rubber on the bottom of the screen and wait 30 seconds. First curing step. 15 seconds at the bottom, middle and top each. Take the phone out from the jig and take off the masking tapes. Use the alcohol wipes to clean the edges of the device. Second curing step. 60 seconds at the bottom and top each. Rerun the second curing step once more. Register the fingerprint at the setting and make sure it works well.